tried to bake a chocolate cake before? If so, then you've already tapped into the power of an industry that's created more millionaires than any other industry on the planet, network marketing. Let me explain. To make a chocolate cake, we both know you add the eggs, the flour, the sugar, the chocolate, you mix it all together, and you bake it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And voila! Out pops a warm, delicious, gooey, chocolatey piece of heaven that smells like your childhood. Pretty simple, yes? It's because you were given a step-by-step recipe to follow. You follow the recipe, you get the result, it works every time. And just like baking a chocolate cake, there's a recipe for success in home business. A recipe that, when followed, attracts fresh leads, customers, and reps to your business every single day. Look, network marketing companies want you to do two things: sell their products and recruit reps, which I'm sure you want too. The problem is they are giving you a recipe that causes resistance and is painful to follow. Hotel meetings, home parties, prospecting strangers, list of friends and family. I wasn't good at any of these. I despised doing them, and my team revolted against them. And yet, I was able to become a top earner in my company without doing any of these. Yes, these old school methods still work today, but most of us don't want to follow the recipe of prospecting strangers, hotel meetings, and home parties. The good news, you don't have to. There's a new age top earner recipe that allows you to build your business from your laptop and attract prospects to you who are ready to join your business without ever having to leave your home. Check this out. Chances are there are thousands of distributors in the exact same company as you trying to sell the exact same product and opportunity as you. So why would someone join you versus them? The answer? You. You are the answer. You are the miracle, and people are going to join your business and buy your products because of you. Fact, people join people, not companies. We can agree on this, yes? So, if people join and buy from people, what should you build if you want to sell more product, recruit more reps, and make more money? You. You build you. Hint, hint, this is the top earner recipe. Brand and build you. This is how you attract fresh prospects to you every single day. This is how you avoid getting and feeling rejected. This is how you never run out of fresh prospects to talk to. This is how you build a long-term sustainable business for your family that will flourish even if your network marketing company changes comp plans or goes out of business. You brand and build you. Look around. Every single top earner online is branding themselves, and so should you. Even if you're brand new, never sponsored anybody, or never made a dime, we've got you covered. You are the business, not your MLM product. Listen up here. Yes, your MLM business is a residual revenue stream for your business, and you will sell lots of their products and make money there. But you are the brand and the business, and you are why people will buy and join. So how do you do it? How do you actually attract fresh leads, customers, and new reps to you every single day? Here's the aha counterintuitive epiphany to make money in your network marketing business. Instead of pitching your product like every other broke business owner, you first get clear on your target market and then add value that serves that target market. Adding value to your target market simply means you create content that addresses your target market's challenges, problems, and pains. Content that provides solutions, educates, and adds value to their lives, not just pitching and selling. This content can be in the form of videos, Facebook Lives, blog posts, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, etc. We teach you all of this. So instead of pitching like every other broke business owner, you are now creating valuable content that your target market wants to consume because it addresses their problems, which will help you establish credibility and authority, gain trust, build relationships, become the leader in your industry, and brand and build you, which in turn will help you close more sales, recruit more reps, create more revenue streams, and build your network marketing business just like the top earners are doing right now.